Hello, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna tell you how you can change text color in your CapCut. This feature is absolutely free. You can use it on pro version or free version, no matter which version you are using. So I will go to the CapCut. Here we go. Here is our project. So here you can see I already generated captions in CapCut. So now I will change color. I will click on text, then I will click on this bar and then style. So here are templates, fonts, style, effects, animations and many other features. So first you can see all text color is white, so I will turn into yellow. This one treat, I will turn it to a yellow. So I will click on style and then I will find out where is treat. So here you can see here is treat, so I will select only this treat. You can select this way and then style, so I will turn it to yellow. So then I will click on this OK icon. So here you can see my treat word has been white to yellow. So you can change text color in this way very easily. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching.